The impact that Evey's had on the business is just simply administration simplification. It's just made getting the workshops online so much easier, and the administration of each of those workshops, because there's usually sort of a couple a month, it's made it so much easier and straightforward. And it's also something that means we can keep people's data and repeat sell to them. So we're really pleased with the way that Evey's helped the business. Thank you very much, Evey. You've made my life a lot easier, and the business, the Extraordinary Hat Company, has definitely benefited. So if anybody wants to go and have a look and see how it works, you can just go to the extraordinaryhat.co.uk and look for the workshops and events section of the site, and you'll be able to see how it works in practice. Really easy, really straightforward, and I definitely recommend it. Thank you. Part of the reason we needed Evey was because Pat runs workshops, all sorts of different workshops, from make your own beret to bridal accessories, all sorts of different fascinators, and steampunk is always a good one too. But actually managing the tickets for that and sort of people booking places was difficult. People would phone or they'd send a random email, and then of course there was collecting the money. So by now having them available through the website, the visibility is much greater, and the management of those ticket sales is also so much better now. We definitely recommend Evey to other online businesses, just simply because it's straightforward and easy to install, easy to implement, and works seamlessly with Shopify. So it's been very good for the business and nice and straightforward and simple for me as I do all the marketing for the company.